Look at all of Europe from the North Germany to Italy, in the middle of the picture now, with Istanbul coming into the center of the picture right now, with all of Turkey behind it, and then the Syrian and Arabian deserts as the dark patch out to the right, going down to the very bright lights of the Persian Gulf cities on the left now, and the end of the Saudi Peninsula now, and into the Indian Ocean. Here we are tracking over the Gulf of Alaska, which is cloudy in the foreground, coming to the west coast of the US and the California basin in the center of the picture right about now, with the LA basin off right, Phoenix in the center, moving down into Mexico with lots of lightning in storms on the Pacific coast, Mexico City, the big light in the center right about now, and then the narrow isthmus of Central America moving off to the left in the picture here, moving out into the Pacific Ocean, and then coming to the north coast of South America and moving right down the spine of the Andes with the Amazon basin dark on the left. Lake Titicaca in the mountains, moving out of the picture now. Here the moon seems to be moving, but in fact the space station is moving fast, so that the moon seems to be moving in behind the atmosphere from the blackness of space, so that you start to see the moon right about now through the atmosphere, and that changes the shape in strange ways. This is the normal fiery re-entry of the Progress supply ship into the atmosphere, just before sunrise. Watch for major cities in the Midwest and highways that join them. There goes San Antonio out of the bottom of the picture right now, and then Dallas-Fort Worth coming into the lower center right now. And then coming into the middle of the picture is St. Louis, with Kansas City out on the left of the pic right now. And then Chicagoland at the bottom end of Lake Michigan, which really stands out. Then a bit to the right of that, Detroit on the next lake, and then Toronto on the next lake, followed by a threesome of Ottawa, Montreal, and Quebec on the St. Lawrence River. This is a sequence of the brightest lights of Southern and Eastern America, with the Gulf of Mexico big and black in the foreground, and a set of New Orleans lights coming into the center now, with lots of dots of oil rig lights going out of the picture left. Coming into the view now is Atlanta, the brightest light, with the Appalachians immediately behind, and on the right side, the east coast of the US with its capes and bays. Coming into the middle of the view now, the New York region with Washington, D.C., and the shape of Long Island appearing lower left right about now, and then Cape Cod lower left as well. And then Nova Scotia in Canada in the center here, the Gulf of St. Lawrence in the center now, and over to the right, the island of Newfoundland and the city of St. John's. Notice the aurora at the top of the picture, dancing.